Hello, this is Keith with the Georgetown County School District, and today we're going to talk a little bit about Hour of Code and some things that we can let our young people get involved with. And teachers, there are also lots of activities and lesson plans with that. Today I have a guest with me, and it's Miss Kim Brown at Carvers Bay Middle School. She's the curriculum coach out here. So welcome aboard, Miss Brown.
Thank you.
So we're going to look at some Hour of Code activities. They're all kind of grades. So where do you want to start?
Middle school, 6 through 8.
All right, so we'll start here at 6 through 8, and I'll just show you some of the very basic things. Now you can search and things that are recommended and all of the kind of things that you have in the classroom or some topics, and it'll bring up different topics. But we'll start right here with the basic. We'll do blocks jumper. How about that? So when you look at it and click on it, or your students click on it, it's going to give you a little description about it here and a little bit more about it down here, and then you can click start. So we'll click start, and it brings up the screen. Now over here on the left, it tells us a little bit about what we want to do. I don't know if I'll be able to jump that far myself, Miss Brown, or not. All right, so what we are asked to do is the step block makes the sprite move. Now this is called a sprite, this little guy, and it makes him move. And the number of steps in the block defines how far he can move. So what it's telling us to do is we have to go down here and drag a step block from the movement. So see our movement down here? Let's click there. That was not showing it very good. Let's do a refresh on that page, see if it'll give it to us a little bit better. There we go. All right, so just drag a step block up to the sprite or underneath it and click it in. You hear the little click sound? All right, what does it want us to do now? So we check that off. All right, now what? What are we doing here, Miss Brown?
Change 1 to 300 in the step block.
Okay, so we're going to go up here and change that to 300. And then we say check off on there. And then it wants us to click on run and see if the monkey will run to the star, which is over here. All right, so we click run. It runs to the star. And we got great job. All right, so you have to stop before you can do anything on the next one. And then you click next, and it gives you the next example of what you want to do. So on the run, it's going to ask us to do the loop. So I'm guessing we have to do the control one is what it says. And what are we supposed to be grabbing?
A loop.
So if we grab a loop and put it up here, that means it's just going to do it over and over and over. And it says we're going to go to the step one next, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, well, we check that one. Yeah, and then place it into the step and place it in. And let's see if it'll tell us how many we have to do with it. Check that one off. Click run. Movement library and place it inside the loop. Doesn't tell us, but just one time. So let's see what it does. It runs.
Yay!
Yeah, whatever it tells us to do, that's what we're going to do. All right, so that's one of the basics. Now, another one that's real popular is Minecraft. So let's look at Minecraft. This one is Voyage Aquatic. So let's start this one. Have you ever done Minecraft, Miss Brown?
Actually, yes.
Very good. So this video will tell you all about what your mission is and what you're going to do. And so if you want to play it,
you're just in time. Welcome to the Voyage.
You get the little blocks telling you about what they're doing, the little characters in there. So we're going to skip that part, and we're going to pick a character. Who you want to be? We want to do Steve or Alex, Miss Brown?
Well, I'll be Alex since Steve has the nice mustache there.
Yeah, let's go with Alex. And it says you need supplies for the voyage ahead, so collect a boat from the chest. All right, so okay. So we have to collect a boat. So here's our little sprite. Here's our little guy. This is Alex, and he's got to collect a boat from the chest. So he has to go see they're in blocks. So there's 1, 2, 3 steps ahead. So he's going to move forward, move forward, move forward. And I think after we go run from here, okay, it tells us we've done what we're supposed to so far. And now puzzle 1 is completed, and then we continue on to the next puzzle. We just wrote 3 lines of code. Now, if you want to see what it looks like, this is the JavaScript, and that's what it looks like right there. So if you're looking at all the games that people play out there on the internet, this is how they write them. What's our next one?
Boats are much easier than swimming in open water. Head to the end of the dock to hop aboard.
All right, so looks like we have to move forward, and then we have to turn right. And I don't know, that looks like maybe 2 blocks, and maybe 3 would be in the boat. Let's see if we go forward 1, and then we got to turn right. Now, anytime you get here, you can always change these from right to left, so you know how you're doing it. And then once you turn right, we're going to go, what, 1, 2, you think 3?
Let's try 3.
1, oh, click in, 2, 3. Now we do run. It's over here. Click. 1, 2. Oh, all right, so we're good. We must have just had to go 2 just to get to the boat. We didn't need that last one. All right, so if we want to try it again, you can. But we just wrote 5 lines of code, and that's what it would look like if you want to check on that from time to time. But that's basically what you're looking at for hour of code, is how to get in and out and let young people see what's going on with clicking and coding and putting all the things together in the orders that you're looking at. All of these up here are levels. You can always skip ahead, or you can actually go back. If you want to create an account, teachers, you can click sign in on any of these. You can either have your already place where you've already signed in before, or you can create a new account here, and that allows you to keep up with, and it also provides you lesson plans and activities to go along with the hours of code. Hope this has helped.
See ya.